Today's businesses rely more than ever on their networks for business-critical services. Networks have to be available round the clock, reliable, secure, and efficient to operate, with low total cost of ownership. How can that be achieved? Cisco Smart Services provide actionable intelligence gained from secure visibility into your network. Smart Service capabilities integrate Cisco's smart analytics and vast knowledge bases to help you boost value by preventing costly downtime. With over 10 million web users and 550,000 customer and partner interactions, Cisco's smart analytics and intellectual capital on networks are unsurpassed. Through a holistic portfolio of proactive, predictive, and preemptive smart services, you'll identify and fix issues at every level of the network. Smart capabilities make it easier and more efficient than ever before to run your Cisco Services business. Cisco Smart Services provide partners and customers the benefits of Cisco's network expertise, best practices, analytics, global support infrastructure, and more. Smart Services can be delivered efficiently anywhere in the world thanks to Cisco's global network of support centers designed consistently to respond to your specific technical needs. We'll look at 3 scenarios that illustrate how Cisco and its Smart Services partners deliver uniquely effective network support offerings. In the first case, we'll see how device inventory and analysis lets partners deliver proactive reports and services that drive increased value for customers.
We've collected your device inventory data and we'd like to go over the reports.
That's great. What did you find out?
We found 983 devices and almost 100 of them do not have active contracts. 42 are approaching end of life. Also, 28 are running different iOS versions and you have 63 separate service contracts. We'll put an action plan in place for you to address these points.
Okay, excellent.
Our interactive portal is always available and you can run customized reports anytime.
That's very useful.
Looking at the Effective Devices report, we can see if there are any field notices or PCERT advisories for your devices. Your Nexus 5000 devices require a software upgrade to address security and availability issues. I can manage that for you from here.
Thanks. I wouldn't have known about the problem until we crashed. This is a great way for us to proactively get ahead of our problems and solve some of our toughest business challenges.
Our network assessment found some configuration issues that could cause downtime if they're not addressed. I'll send you a report with our recommendations. You might also consider some new tools we have which automatically scan and audit configuration changes based on Cisco best practices and generate a detailed report to improve your overall network availability. For improved security, an IPS Signature subscription service automatically applies updates, dynamic protection, and important security information.
By automating all that network maintenance work, we could really boost IT's productivity. Who can I contact for more information?
An account manager will contact you. In the meantime, visit Cisco's website where you can find a lot of information localized with language support to customize and share with people around the world.
These smart capabilities offer a great way to maintain and protect our network, and that's good for our bottom line.
Our next scenario illustrates how predictive capabilities allow individual devices on the network to report problems automatically. The problem is diagnosed and the partner receives comprehensive information.
Your network switch has warned us of impending failure. We'd like to help you resolve this before it affects your network's availability.
Okay, good.
You're getting errors in your Catalyst 6500 switch. It might be a grounding problem or possibly radiation from a nearby unit. There might be some damage to slot 7 or to the module in that slot. Start with a visual inspection, and if that doesn't turn anything up, you should replace the module.
Okay, I'll have our technicians check that out. Thanks a lot for giving me a heads up on this before it turned into a real problem.
Glad we could help.
Our network has grown so complex that managing it is a challenge.
We hear that a lot from our customers. We've developed a smart analytics platform that helps customers manage complex groups of devices. It gives you an interactive visual representation of your device groups, and it analyzes key metrics on a network-wide basis, so it helps boost network performance and proactively addresses potential problems.
That sounds useful. I'll be in touch again soon.
Our last scenario illustrates how Cisco's preemptive capabilities enable critical smart monitor and remote management services. In this use case, a fan begins to degrade in the customer's unified computing system. The chassis automatically reports the failure, and the customer is notified of the event and can access remediation via the web portal. Sensors detect high temperatures. The self-protecting system starts to shut down automatically, which creates a service request with the Cisco Support Center. Detailed log information is automatically sent to the service request.
Do you need any information from the device?
No thanks. Our system has captured everything we need and a replacement is on its way.
These smart services really work.
Cisco Smart Services represent a huge leap forward in technical expertise and customer satisfaction. The addition of smart capabilities on top of traditional reactive services lets partners proactively, predictively, and preemptively optimize customer networks and reduce downtime to significantly improve operational efficiency. Smart service capabilities minimize disruptions of business operations, whether the issue involves a single device, the network as a whole, or an external threat. Customers' networks are more available, more reliable, and more secure. To learn more about Cisco Smart Services, please contact your Cisco representative today.